What's going on, guys? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 BMW X5M competition. This vehicle is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle can do 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. The X5M is an awesome SUV. I've always loved it. It is a monstrous SUV too. If I had to choose a BMW performance SUV to get right now, it would be an X5M. I'll take this over an XM because it's faster and it looks a lot better than the XM to me. It's just an awesome vehicle. The seats are awesome. Beautiful M Performance seats with amazing diamond stitching, X5M badge in the center. These feel a lot like the seats in my G80 M3. Really similar. You have the iDrive 8 in this one. You have the amazing Bowers & Wilkins sound system in this vehicle. Carbon fiber interior trim, Alcantara headliner. You also have a panoramic sunroof. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera. Oh wait, there we go. You also have the M1 and M2 buttons, and you also have carbon fiber shift paddles. Here's the interior and the center console, I mean. Let's walk around this X5M. You also have massaging seats in this car. This specific X5M is absolutely loaded, has all kinds of great features. This one looks like it's Alpine white. I don't think this is mineral white. Yeah, this has to be Alpine. You have awesome BMW M wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport all-season 4 tires on this one, red calipers. Looks so aggressive, looks so mean. And love the daytime running lights, black grille. You also have the black wing mirror caps. What a beautiful SUV, I love it. Here are the rear seats, nice leather. This one's in pristine condition. It looks like a brand new car, despite being a 2024. You have black exhaust tips, X5M competition on the back. And here's the trunk space. This one has executive package and driver assistance pro. Total MSRP is $132,145. Man, it looks so good. What a beautiful SUV. I love the way these facelifted X5Ms look. And obviously we're going to be driving in the most aggressive sports settings. I might want to turn off my ventilated seats. I don't know why they're even on. It's freezing in here. But I am going to turn on the massage. Let's try whole body activation, see how that feels. Man, I can feel those burbles from the exhaust. So cool. This thing is just so powerful. It's just like raring to go at any given moment. Such a monstrous SUV. Oh my god, it's so powerful. That's insane. It's been a while since I drove an X5M. Sometimes I forget how fun these BMW M SUVs are. Man, that's just insane. Like, an X3M is an awesome performance SUV. Too bad they don't make them anymore. But this thing's just even way faster than an X3M, and that car already feels insane. But we're about to literally rocket this thing off this line here. Oh my god. That is insanely fast. It's like a rocket ship. Okay, yeah, that's just insane. I don't even know what else to say other than the fact that it's just insane power. Oh my god. Yeah, that's unreal. Absolutely unreal power. It's just so fun to do that. What an insane vehicle this thing is. It just has so much accessible power. And like the way the transmission's tuned and everything, it's like perfect. The way the car just feels is amazing. Oh my God. Yeah, that is just absolutely unbelievable. I love these M steering wheels. I have the exact same steering wheel in my car. Yo, that's just crazy how powerful this car is. You gotta be kidding me. Just put it like M1 now. That is just such an awesome car. And this one has like the extended Marina leather, so the dash is leather too. You have leather touch points all over the doors. It's awesome. That is so cool. I just love this car. The thing with this car like this, it just has so much power. You always just want to put your foot down and do that. But look at that. It's just so hard to stay like at low speeds in this thing, because it's just, the car's like begging to be going faster. The massage seats don't really do a whole lot. As I mentioned in some of my videos, some cars have massage seats that actually, like, you can actually feel it. You know, the rollers on your back for a good amount, but this car doesn't really feel like much. But man, you can see that power this car has, like, to just overtake in traffic. You can weed through traffic like with no problem at all. I just can't believe how fast this thing is. And the thing is with the X5M, like, you know, despite having a sportier suspension and all that, it's still not punishing. Like the X3M and X4M are absolutely punishing to drive in the Sport Plus setting. That's a nice Maserati Gran Turismo. But anyways, what I was saying, yeah, like in an X3M or X4M, the transmission can get really, really rough. And every bump hurts. It feels more uncomfortable than my M3, which doesn't make any sense. But in this car, the suspension is sporty, but it's still comfortable at the same time. It doesn't feel punishing to drive, even when you're like in the M2 setting. So that's good. And I really like this leather wrap shifter. It's nice. But man, this thing is an absolute blast to drive. 10 on 10 experience. And I just love this car. The way it looks, the way it drives, the way the interior looks, it's amazing. The only thing is I wish this one like the carbon fiber steering wheel. I don't know why it has a full carbon interior trim, but not on the steering wheel. That would complete the interior on this one. Crazy. And I wish BMW offered like magnetic shift paddles from the factory, because these are plastic. Magnet ones would be cooler. I'm just at a loss for words. was an awesome experience. Had an absolute blast driving this X5M. It is just such an amazing vehicle. Like, I'm just like, I can't even explain how awesome this car is. But overall, this 2024 BMW X5M competition is an absolute blast to drive. Love it. But thanks for watching another video of Groove Drives, and thanks to Alex and the team over at Grubbs Volvo Grapevine for giving me access to this X5M to film today. If you're interested in this vehicle, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below, and stay tuned for more videos on Groove Drives. Please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out.